Apple Watch Ultra.
Not really. I just have a case on it. What's up, guys? The TechSpot here. And in my last video, I got comments saying that I should bring back my old intro that I had on AppleTechSpot. I know some of you guys just want the intro back too because you want that nostalgia. So I thought, you know, I still have the intros with me. Let me go in and go through memory lane and play all the intros in order. Now, I don't have all of them, but I do have the main ones that I know you guys loved. These were the legendary cinematic intros that I had on the channel for some time on AppleTechSpot. Now, in today's day and age in YouTube, these intros would not cut it because they're just too long. You can't have like 10-second intros anymore. But anyways, with that said, let's go to play the intros, grab your popcorn, and roll it. So now I have combined the new intro with the old outro music. Here's the result. Roll it. So yeah, that is the new intro. I think it turned out really cool. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Oh, and I finally also did get the iPhone 15 Pro. So I just picked this up. I got the trade-in value at the Apple store, which for the iPhone 13, they're actually giving like 600 bucks. So that was really cool. So I decided, yeah, I make iPhone videos and that's the main premise of this channel. I need to get the iPhone 15 Pro and see what it's all about. There's the back, and yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm upgrading from my iPhone 13, which I still do have right now. Right over here, I had the gold, very different design, shiny over here, and then this one's more titanium. The titanium is so much lighter. It's very, very noticeable. I kind of like the way the 13 looks more, but this feels a lot nicer. I think I'm gonna get used to it. No more notch anymore. We now have the hole punch cut out. Editing me here. Audacity seemed to have messed up my audio. I am now winging it using my webcam. But anyways, back to the iPhone 15 Pro. Again, what is also new is the action button. So you can basically see that over there. So I have a button over here for the action button. You can change it to whatever you want it to be, whether you want it to open your camera, access your flashlight, just use any Siri shortcut to activate whatever you want it to. So that opens up a whole new world of possibilities. And if you want, you still have the option of using it as a mute switch. And I thought about it too. I'm like, on my iPhone 13, the last time I used my mute switch was a long time ago. Check this out on iOS 17. So I could transfer even the data by doing this. So whoa, look at that. It's now connected. That's so cool. And now I can transfer all my data and stuff like that. So on the 13, we have a much more sharp edge design and a stainless steel. So you can definitely feel that when you hold it. But this phone is a little more comfortable to hold because it has those rounded edges. It really feels a lot smoother in the hand. Even the back with the frosted back. The iPhone 13 feels more like a relic because you have that stainless steel. It's like a piece of jewelry right here. The iPhone 15 is more smooth. Well, of course, with the iPhone 15, you also do have a better processor, camera, brighter flashlight. Oh, and let me go and show you guys what else is inside the box. So first off, we do have a new cable, USB-C to USB-C. On the iPhone 13, we had the Lightning, but now we have USB-C, and that opens up a whole new world of possibilities. So USB-C supports power delivery. You can hook up an external display without needing an adapter, data transfer, and charging. So basically, you could do anything with USB-C. You could just have one USB-C cable that you take around everywhere and connect to all your devices. The cable itself is braided. It's a more fabric type cable this time around, designed by Apple in California. Pull it out. First of all, you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during the iPhone setup. Before with T-Mobile, in order to switch to a different phone, that's transferring over a SIM would be so annoying. But with this, the dude at the Apple store told me it's a super seamless because it has an eSIM. So literally you just set it up and boom, you have your phone and your carrier moved over. That is super cool. Up next, warranty information, 1 Apple sticker with cheese, Mr. Squidward. But yeah, guys, I'm going to use this iPhone 15 Pro in my next videos. However, I might change the color. This white actually came out to be like really white. Camera can't even pick it up. I might go with a different color. I have 2 weeks to switch. So if I do change my mind. Oh, and I actually did swap the color for natural titanium. I thought the white and silver was a little too white. It's just cool to be able to see raw titanium in its natural color. And if it does scratch, it'll be fine. The natural titanium is actually the color underneath as well. So kind of exposed titanium. And oh boy, do I have a lot of exciting videos planned. And also a huge shout out and thank you to, he doesn't need a shout out from me. But thank you to EverythingApplePro. He's one of the reasons why I also started YouTube. I remember watching his videos. He started YouTube making iPhone videos in around 2008, and I started in 2013. I really do view him as my older brother, even though we are the same age. Back in the day when there was no YouTube spam filter, I was a guy in the comments saying,
yo, check out my video if this didn't work for you.
But yeah, EverythingApplePro was still very cool about it. When my channel got terminated, he even replied on my gaming channel, which is where I posted the video of my channel getting terminated. So if I go over to my gaming channel and click on videos, I can keep scrolling down. There it is, the AppleTechSpot update. You guys can see that this is me talking about that. Anyways, if I go and scroll down, you guys can see Everything Apple Pro did comment. So this was really nice of him to do. He commented, hey man, just want to say I've been through this. My channel was gone for a month. It devastated me and I give up. The only reason I still have my channel now is because of my friend who convinced me to fight for it. Do everything you can. Email every email YouTube has and fight for your channel. Don't give up. And this has a bunch of comments too from you guys as well. So don't give up, AppleTechSpot. I love your videos. I love your videos, Everything Apple Pro. I hope this channel gets back up as soon as possible and the issue resolved. I replied saying, hey, thanks, man. That means a lot coming from you. There's little hope that I'll get my channel back, but I'll try everything I can. Alex said, Everything Apple Pro is right. And bro, yeah, come back soon. And I also trying to be like you guys in the future. Same content. Bye-bye, channel. You're right. Y'all my favorite YouTubers. All the support is just overwhelming. And the comments just go on and on. So it's really nice that Everything Apple Pro took the time out of his day to comment this. He really had sympathy for how I felt during the whole situation, and it's crazy to see such a big and cool YouTuber comment on my gaming channel. He's one of my role models, and so here we are today. Everything Apple Pro, if you're watching this video, it would be so cool in the future, once I'm on your level, to hang out with you. That'd be so cool. The Tech Spot basically is a channel for us. We are the Tech Spot. So yeah, memory lane. These are the banners for Apple Tech Spot. This video will have 2 outros. Cool way to show it. Just have the outros in the outro section. Thank you for watching. This is the Tech Spot. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.